Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're making lemon squares. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-meshed ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat the oven to 190 degrees. Soften the butter in a microwave on a low heat. Mix together the flour, icing sugar and butter to form the batter for your base. Save a small amount of icing sugar to dust over the finished squares. Spoon the mixture into a greased or lined baking tray and spread it evenly. Bake the base in the oven for 20 minutes until the top has begun to brown. Meanwhile, juice your lemons and be sure to remove the pips. In a mixing bowl, combine the caster sugar, flour, lemon juice and egg. Whisk the mixture thoroughly until smooth. Pour the lemon mixture on top of the baked base and return it to the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes. The top will be slightly browned when it's cooked. Allow it to cool on a wire rack, then cut into squares and dust with the remaining icing sugar. These squares are a delicious treat. They're great on their own or with some cream or ice cream as a dessert. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.